Today we are going to make salt and pepper lobster. So I'm gonna show you guys how to cut up this lobster. So I got this lobster at the market and it's about a little over a pound. So we're gonna start cutting this. So I'm just gonna wash them off a little bit. So we're gonna add the cornstarch onto the lobster. And then we're just gonna mix it up. This thing's poking me. Alright, then we're just gonna let it sit for maybe until the oil is done, and then we're gonna deep fry this for maybe about 5 minutes. Alright, so we are going to fry the lobster about 375 degrees. Okay, so it's been about 4 or 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them out and let it sit. And drain out the oil. So for salt and pepper, we're going to have some scallions, some onions, garlic, and jalapeno. If you don't want it spicy, you don't have to add that on there, but it's good to add jalapeno pepper. So we are going to put some oils in here. Turn this on. So we're going to add some onions in here. Just let it cook. So I want to add a little bit of butter in here to make it, give it a little taste extra. the lobster in here. Okay, so this is the salt and pepper lobster. I hope you guys give it a try and enjoy it. Okay, this dish is salt and pepper shrimp. You can make it with either shrimp or lobster. So today I made it with shrimp and I also made it with lobster. Same ingredients.